Hello, good morning students. We have studied about different types of seeds and the conditions necessary for the germination. For today's class, we'll learn the topics are hypogeal and epigel germination. Then we'll take gram and pea seeds for an example for the type of epigel and hypogeal germination. In this we will study about basically the type of germination which takes place, that in some cases the seeds are pushed upward and then the process of germination takes place, while in some cases, like in case of chickpea, the seed is pushed downward and the shoot develops. So what is the condition and how the process of germination takes place? This we'll study in this chapter. First is the hypogeal germination. Hypogeal germination, the two types of germination is hypogeal. When it is hypo, the word comes is just of hypo is epi. The epicotyle elongates. In hypogeal germination, epicotyle elongates and the cotyledon is pushed downward. Pushed downward means the seed in this, the epicotyle, and the seed is pushed below the ground. Now in the epigel germination, the hypo, just opposite of epi is hypo. Hypocotyle elongates and cotyledons are pushed above ground, and this type of germination is termed as epigel germination. Here you can see that this type of germination takes place. The cotyledons you can see like this one, and from here you shoot. This type of germination takes place. Then this is epigel. Here this is plumule, cotyledon, here radicle which develops the roots. Here in this plumule, epicotyle and the cotyledons or the seed which is present below the ground. So this I am having two samples for this. Two samples to show you the hypogeal and epigel germination. In this one, this is an example of chickpea, just I have taken out from the soil. In this you can see this one, this portion, roots developed in this section, and you can see the minute shoots present here. This complete portion is below the soil. When the cotyledons or the seed is below the soil like this, the germination, and here I have mentioned in this one, when the cotyledons are below the soil, the germination is hypogeal germination. Hypo, the cotyledons below soil. This type of germination, this is an example of chickpea. Now just opposite of this, here you can see in this cotyledons are present here at this tip. Cotyledons with the leaf shoots or plumule, minute leaves arise from this. So cotyledons, leaves, and the germination, here roots are present. So the cotyledons are pushed above the ground and then the leaves germinate. When the cotyledons push downwards, the germination is hypogeal. When the cotyledons are pushed above the ground and the germination takes place, then it is epigel germination. This is in case of bean seeds. Bean seeds, then in the examples I have shown you, with the example of gram and maize, gram and maize seeds I'm not having, so I can show you with the help of diagram only. Gram seeds have shown you that in case of chickpea and here, when the roots develop from this and the shoot like this, the germination is the hypogeal germination in case of seeds. And next to this is if the epigotyle germinates, this type, this one also, the types of germination we have studied, and the radicals. From the radical, roots germinate. From the plumule, shoots. Now, in case of maize seeds they remain underground and the leaf and shoot develops like this. So this, the germination type is hypogeal germination in maize, while in case of gram the germination is epigeal. So there's two types. Next one word is vivipary. In some plants, the seed develops inside the fruit only. In case of rhizophora or some other plants, the development of seed. In case of coconut also, you have seen that in some case coconuts, the plantlet starts developing. If the you might have seen this that they are saying not to eat the part of coconut which were offered to the gods. If the development of seed or the germination takes place inside the seed, and then they fall off, the plantlets fall off on the ground and develop, then the condition is termed as vivipary. The example for this is rhizophora. This is all about the chapter seed. This seed is for the ICSE syllabus. All the portion given in seed chapter is completed now. Thank you for today's class.